Zhejiang Apollo Motorcycle Manufacturer Company Limited, founded in 2003, is a global leading manufacturer of off-road motorcycles, which focusing on entertainment, leisure, and competition. The products are sold in 69 countries, with branches in the United States, Thailand, and Australia. Italy is Apollo Design and After-Sales Service Center. In recent years, Apollo devotes to R&D design, technical innovation, and has reached European standards in product innovation and technology. In the design, Apollo won the Best of Best Design Award and Innovation Enterprise Award of the Canton Fair, and the highest honor of the German Automotive Brand Contest Winner Award in 2020. In the quality, Apollo won many championships in Russia, France, Canada, Columbia Motocross Racing, Malaysia Northern Fun Trail Motocross MX Endurance and ATV Challenge, etc. Various international motorcycle and ATV competitions from 2016 to 2019. The products are certified with standards of EPA, CE, EEC, T3B, Euro 5, EN 15194, FCC, ASTMF 963, EN 71-1-2-3. Apollo total assets are $30 million, which covers an area of 60,000 square meters and has injection molding workshop, welding automatic welding workshop, painting workshop, test center, motorcycle and ATV assembly workshop, electric bike assembly workshop, packing workshop with an annual output of 200,000 production capacity. As a member of BSCI, Apollo undertakes its corporate social responsibility and actively participates in charitable activities to warm the society with actual actions and give back to society. Every detail and action resulted Apollo's successful worldwide distribution network and have lots of excellent partners in Asia, America, Europe, Oceania, and South Africa. Apollo has become one of the most influential off-road motorcycle manufacturer and small displacement of world and has good reputation at home and abroad. Apollo will continually provide a wealth of entry-level off-road motorcycles and aim to be the first choice of world-class sporty motorcycle. RXF, Running Extreme Future.